Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about my 20 volt battery Dewalt series. Within my collection, I have two different chargers. This charger came with the main kit that I got. I got all tools that you will see in this video except for two batteries and this charger from a kit that's usually $1,000, but at the time I was buying it, it had 50% off, so I only spent $500 on all of these tools. The kit that I got, it comes with a leaf blower. This can help you to blow out the dust in hard to reach spots. It has a 20 volt battery that goes with it, and it's a great tool. The next tool that I'm going to show you guys is the vacuum that comes with this. This comes apart to help you move it around, or you can keep this in and just suck up the area. This has a 20 volt battery that can go in it. It's another great tool. Another thing that comes with it is actually a speaker. This can be plugged in, or you can have a battery that goes in it. It's Bluetooth to your phone. Another great item that I like when working in my shop. The first bag I have for you guys right here is a bag that I have my impact driver and my drill. This bag did not come with the kit. It came with the extra batteries and charger that I got. Within this kit, I have my drill and my impact driver. I also keep my flashlight in here. As you can see, right now two of the batteries are in here. These are the bigger batteries. They are the 5 amps. Also in this kit, I have my impact driver bits and I have my drill bits. So this is everything that I have in this bag, and all three of these tools come with the kit. These were aftermarket products. I will have links to all of these in the description. This is the next bag that I have for you guys. In this bag, I keep a few items as well. In this bag, I have my circular saw, and I have my jigsaw. At the time when this deal was $1,000, but I got it for $500. This actually came with it for free as well. So this was a great deal that I did get. Along in the pack is the blade for the circular saw. I had not put it in yet, as I'm not using it right now. It does not come with blades for the jigsaw, so I actually bought Bosch aftermarket blades, but that's okay. It wasn't too much money extra to get this pack. So another great two items in the kit. Both of these items do take 20 volt batteries. This bag that I am packing up right now did come with that kit that I will be putting away. The second big bag of tools that I have for my series is what I have right here. This is the second bag that does come with the kit. Within this bag, I have my reciprocating saw. I have my grinder right here. I have a multi-tool as well. I'll move this over so you guys can see. Also have the other two batteries that come with it. These two batteries did come with the kit. The two batteries you saw, my impact driver and drill, were batteries that I got in a different kit. So these are the 5 items that I have within here. Also, all of the tools do come with manuals. I store them all in here. And this is that second bag that comes with the kit. Another item that I have in my Dewalt series, while it is not a 20 volt, while it does not take a 20 volt battery like the rest, is my random orbital sander. I use this all the time to sand my wood, get that excess glue off, and to flatten and smoothen out the wood. So in total, this is my 20 volt Dewalt series. I have 10 items from the kit. I have 4 batteries, 2 from the kit, 2 not from the kit. I have 2 chargers, 1 from the kit, 1 not from my kit. And I also on the side got the random orbital sander. I love all of these tools, and you should definitely get them if you're looking into a toolkit to get. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.